Hello students, in previous lecture we are studied and we are discussed about our chapter number 1 chemical reactions and chemical equations. In this chapter we are studying about some types of chemical reactions. Today we are discuss of another one type of chemical reaction and its name is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Firstly, before we are discuss about decomposition reaction, we have to understand a small word, and the word is decomposition. The meaning of decomposition is a breaking down into a simpler thing. Decomposition means breaking down or another meaning is to convert complex form into a simpler form. So you have clear to what is decomposition. Now let us discuss about decomposition reaction. Our main thing, decomposition reaction. Firstly, we are discussed the definition of decomposition reaction. A reaction in which a compound break down into a complex compound breaking down into two or more simpler substance. Two or more simpler substance two or more simpler substance. Most decomposition reaction require now mostly decomposition reaction require an input of energy. Require input of energy in form of light, heat or electricity. Light, heat or electricity. Basis of their input, it's known as a particular type. If the input is light, It's known as a photochemical reaction. If it is heat, it's known as a decomposition reaction. If it is electricity, it is known as a electrochemical reaction. Now, some examples of decomposition reaction. A first example is decomposition of water. In this process, H2O molecule can be decomposed in presence of heat or electricity, and it formed a hydrogen gas molecule and oxygen gas molecule. So this is our basics of a decomposition reaction. Let's revise it. Decomposition reaction in which I am underlining some key words of this reaction. A complex compound breaking down into a simpler substance. Required input of energy in form of light, heat or electricity. So now you can see this is decomposition reaction, and the underlined word are the key points of decomposition reaction. And lastly, you notice that the decomposition of water, this is the chemical form, a chemical equation of decomposition reaction, and it is occur in presence of heat and presence of light. Thank you.